how to log out from Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out from Google account. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. If you wish to log out from Google account, or if you wish to log out the Google account from your device, here's what you can do. Simply head back and go into your phone settings. And the settings, you want to scroll down until you find the option that says accounts and backup. You can see here accounts and backup, so you want to simply select the option accounts and backup, and there you can see various options, and at the very top you'll find manage accounts option, right? You want to simply tap on that manage accounts and you'll get all the list of your logged in accounts on your device. So here you can see my Telegram, my Google, my Facebook, my Terabox, Viber, WhatsApp, all my accounts here. Simply tap on the Google account that you wish to log out, and once you tap on it, you'll see the remove account option. Simply tap on remove account and it'll be logged out from Google account. So your Google account will be logged out basically. So this way you can log out from Google account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.